Before we start building anything, let's download Godot. Head over to the official website godotengine.org. Click download and choose the version that matches your operating system. I'm using Windows for this tutorial, but don't worry if you are on another system. If installation feels tricky, just search Godot install plus your OS name on YouTube. Most guides are super quick and easy to follow. So what makes Godot special? One of the nicest thing about Godot is how lightweight it is. It downloads fast, opens fast, and doesn't require installation. You just double click the file and you are inside the editor. That's it. Since Godot is a standalone file, you can keep it anywhere. But if you want to feel more like a normal app, do this. Open program files. Create a folder called Godot. Move the file inside. Then right click the file and choose send to desktop create shortcut. That way you can launch it instantly from your desktop. You can also pin it to start or your taskbar if you want even faster access. You don't have to do all these steps. The only goal is keep Godot somewhere easy to find. The easier it is to open the editor, the more likely you are to practice. And trust me, that small habit makes a huge difference.